Hey everybody! Just wanted to do this quick video to give you an update on what's going on with me and to let you know about a really cool deal that I think many of you will benefit from and find value in as we move into the holiday season. So, you may have noticed that I have not done any videos lately, and that is because I graduated from law school earlier in the spring, and I want to be honest with you, I've been enjoying the downtime, been writing a lot of books, been doing beast mode, all that good stuff. And so I plan to be back with regularly scheduled programming in 2022. There will be some videos that will drop before the end of the year, though. But what I really wanted to let all of you know is that I'm taking part in a bundle with Story Bundle. Story Bundle is a service where you can purchase a number of books at a pay what you want model, and you get a ton of really cool bonuses and books as a result. And I'm participating in a NaNoWriMo bundle. Now, I've advertised this on the channel, on my community post, and on my social media, and on my mailing list, but if you haven't heard, it is 16 books to help you write novels and to help you win NaNoWriMo. Now, we're coming up on the end of NaNoWriMo, but my opinion on this is that I don't see why every month can't be NaNoWriMo. I mean, if you do this just once a year, that's great, but at some point you're going to have to write your next novel, and it's probably not going to be in a month that begins with November. All right, so no matter what you're doing, this bundle has books that will help you on your writing career. It includes books by myself. My book, Be a Writing Machine, is in it. There's a book by Joanna Penn and Mark Leslie. Craig Martell of 20 Books to 50K fame is represented. Monica Leonelle, I've done interviews with her on my channel. She's there. And there are just a ton of authors who you would recognize who are just spitting their collective wisdom on how to help you win NaNoWriMo, but more importantly, how to develop writing skills and do things that will help you throughout your career. So this bundle is going to run through the end of November. So when you're watching this, you may want to take some action pretty quickly. And as I mentioned before, it's on a pay what you want model. So take a look at the books, review it, pay what you think is appropriate, and you'll have a ton of really great writing advice. I just want to say for all my friends who celebrate the Thanksgiving holiday, hope that you have a fantastic Thanksgiving. If you've done NaNoWriMo, I hope that you won NaNoWriMo and that you've gotten a lot done. And if you are not participating in NaNoWriMo and or if you are not celebrating Thanksgiving, just want to extend my gratitude and thank you for all your support on the channel through this year. So have a wonderful rest of your year. Happy writing, and talk to you soon.